Hello guys, welcome to P Orchids Garden USA. Today I'm going to show you my garden. Uh, for now I'm just going to show you my corn. I planted about 11 corn last April I believe, and they are now producing corn. And each stalk have like 3 or 4 of them. One of them have 5. Can you believe that? 5 corn. Beautiful, and they're doing really well and healthy as it can be. I water them every other 4 or 5 days. They don't really need that much water, but anyway, so here it is. Look at that. It's got 1 2 3 4 yes, three ears of corn. And this one right here, there are plenty. I don't know how many in there, but there are lots. And there's another one way back there that has about, oh, let me see. It's that one right there. How about 1 2 3 ears, and the other one also have 3 ears. And isn't that amazing? So this year I just try this and see how it goes. So now I know that it will grow well. So next year I'm gonna plant more. I'm gonna plant more corn on this side. Hopefully that the squirrel doesn't harvest them before I do. And it's really cool to do that, to plant corn like this. I put the fence in here only because the deer comes in here all the time, every day, every night, every afternoon. It doesn't matter what day it is, whatever, you know, whatever goes in their mind. So they come here and feed in my garden, usually my rose bushes. And this is actually my rose garden here, as you can see, but it's part of corn. I mean, I just put corn in here just because I feel like trying something new. You know, I have so much flowers and rose bushes and dahlias and lilies and all that, but I thought, let me try something different, you know. And this is what I did. I planted corn. So it looked really well. It looks good. Very healthy. Very tall. They're like 9 to 10 feet tall. It's so tall and so big. Supposed to be really sweet corn too. I bought the plants. I did not plant the seeds. I bought the plants. It was like 2 or 3 plants in each tiny flower pot that was like 3 to 4 inches tall. And look how tall it is now. So this is my video now about my corn. The ears are now more visible. As you can see right there, it's forming into a corn. It is so amazing and so nice. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, I'm so happy to see my corn. I'm just so happy. Look how many ears over there. They're huge. I'm like really big corn. So nice. Look at that. I hope the squirrel won't eat it. Gosh, I hope they won't eat it. I want it to eat before they do. I planted it. Yeah, look at this one right here. Yeah, let's go on this side. Wow. Look at that, guys. Isn't that amazing? Woo. Look at this here. Look at that one right there. Where did it go? Right there. Oh my god, that's huge. There's 3 of them. Yeah, 3 corn in 1 plant. Amazing. Let me see that one right there. See how many. The same thing. It's got 3. Also have 3 in there. How cool is that? See the hair? They're still blonde. No, they're still green. When they're ready for when they are ready for harvest, they turn black or brown. Yeah, beautiful. Just beautiful. Wow, so amazing. This is just gonna let me plant more next year. Now I know that it can be mixed with my roses. See my rose bushes right here, they're all over too. But I planted corn here just, just to try out and see how it's gonna do. Now I know that it's doing really, really well, so I will do it again next year. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like my video. Shout out to all the members, Pia Mila team, and all the super viewers. Thank you all so much. God bless. Love you guys.